Hi everyone, how is it going? It's a little bit windy. Of course, this is a Jack. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Since I'm making a lot of videos in China, YouTube is banned here, and I have to use a lot of time and energy to hit each video. Your support is really appreciated. Okay, currently I'm on Nanjing Road, the #1 commercial road in China. So today I'm going to focus on the brands on this road. That is the KFC. It's pretty nice. BOSIDENG, Boston. It's a famous Chinese brand. So we can see a lot of international visitors. It's pretty nice. Miniso. Wow. What about that one? That one is a famous cedars store. Okay, they sell some cedars. A hotel. That hotel is quite famous. RADISSON, Huawei, the cell phone. Ah, it's pretty nice. Let's follow the crowd. So the visitors from every part of this world it's busy, isn't it? It's a little hot, not too hot. 32. I think it's around 95 F. 35 or 32 here. 97 F. Haagen-Dazs is the ice cream store. Yeah, we just can enjoy it. FILE. Fila. Lily business suit. Yeah, they sell some Shanghai snacks. There's a pharmacy. That is a department store, Shanghai #1 dispensary. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very clean. The ground is pretty clean. There's a mascot. That building is pretty European. A lot of youth, young people are very energetic. And they like to have their social activities. Straight strolling. The different engagements. That's pretty good. Shanghai fashion store. Fashion, they sell some clothes. Let's go that way. Rolex. Rolex is everywhere. Ubiquitous. It's a hard one. Shanghai fashion store. That store sells some silk. It's very nice to have a walk. That one is a shopping mall for kids, for children. Shanghai food court. Shanghai first food hall. Food hall. First food hall. They sell different food and snacks. The fast food. McDonald's. There's a Cantonese restaurant. It's quite nice to. Yeah, if you are your first time here, it's quite exotic, even outlandish. Pandora, Pandora. This one is the automatic coffee machine. Nobody works here. It's a machine. You can get them more coffee automatically. Wow. It's quite clean. M and M, double M, Z. Sephora. They sell the cosmetics and makeup. Number 1 shopping center. There's a shopping mall. It's a comprehensive one. Another mascot. That is a Japanese brand, ONITSUKA, Tiger. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the road. Love Shanghai. If you like this video, if you are into this video, give me a like. Thank you very much for your help. I will see you guys later, everyone. Have a good time no matter where you are. Bye bye, everyone.